Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, depending on wherever you're calling for. This is one of our renovation work. This is the second floor. So already at this particular floor, we have already introduced a beam here and remove part of the slab so that we can fix our new staircase. This is the old staircase. Okay, as you can see, so we are still going to remove this staircase so that we can connect this particular slab area to this other side, so that this particular area will be a single hall. Okay, so now this is our new staircase area at the second floor. So as soon as we are done with this staircase, we are going to cast everything. Okay, so you see we've done our work. We are on the iron work, and this is the ground floor. Okay, this is going to be a cantilever staircase. Like I always tell you, this is our raw file direct from the site. So if you are getting any noise or any sound based on the audio, I'm sorry. I just have to take this as sharp as I could so that you get this video and explanation. Okay, thank you very much, and see you on my next video.